Welcome back to another Plum Shop tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you how to build and launch a ratings and reviews program. The first thing we're going to want to do is find the section of the shop containing our trial programs and ratings and reviews. You can do that by going to the product drop down up here and under trial finding ratings and reviews. This will bring you to the ratings and reviews page. You can scroll down to see all the different options for ratings and reviews that we currently have. We can post reviews on retailer sites like Walmart.com, brand pages like your own personal site, and even partner with Bazaarvoice to syndicate reviews out. Most of the builds for these projects look very similar, but today I'm going to walk through doing a retailer site like Walmart.com by sending shoppers into stores to purchase. Keep in mind, we also have the option to have shoppers purchase online as well. When you're on this page, you'll see a few things: the name of the project, the amount per response or review, and then a few of the features you'll be getting with this project. The first thing you'll want to click is Get Started. On this page, we're going to select where we're sending shoppers into stores to purchase the product. So we do have a lot of popular stores and store lists up here, but you also can upload your own store list if needed. Once you select a chain of choice, you can choose to send shoppers to any of those locations or select specific locations using postal codes, states, or store numbers. Once you've selected where you'll send your shoppers, on this next page we're going to name the project for internal purposes, choose start and end dates, and select if there's any demographic targeting that you want to apply. On this page is where the magic happens. This is where you're going to upload the information for the SKU or SKUs you want to have reviews for. So we're going to select the category the SKU is in, the brand, the item description, the UPC, the price you would expect shoppers to pay, the .com page where they'll leave that review, the in-store location, a helpful photo, and then finally the number of responses or reviews that you want for this item. Keep in mind, we do have a minimum of 10 reviews, but you can collect up to 3 reviews per store location. Once you've uploaded this information, you can click Save, and you are able to upload up to 9 SKUs per reviews project. Simply click Add a new product to add more. You will see in the bottom of the screen the cost of this project calculate in real time. Keep in mind, we do pay shoppers back a reimbursement for their product purchase, and that's calculated by uploaded receipts by our system automatically. Once you've uploaded your product details, you can go to the final page where you can check out and buy these reviews. That is how to launch a ratings and reviews project using the Plum Shop. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our live chat in the bottom right hand corner or email us using hello@plumshop.com. Thank you for shopping Plum.